Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing now is just a dart. So it's something that is very, very simple to do. I just want you guys to get to practice. That's pretty much what we're doing here. So you could get a piece of fabric, any piece of fabric. I just have what, 7 inches by maybe 5 inches roughly. Yeah, around 7 by 5 inches, and then I just fold the fabric in half. Okay, because we're just practicing our darts right now. So I fold the fabric in half. Once I fold it in half, I take my tape measurement. Now this is not a standard, this is just for you to practice. So I just put my tape measurement here, 1 inch. I from the folded part here, I put 1 inch apart, and I just mark it here. Okay, the 1 inch apart. Then I take my ruler, and then I go down about maybe about 4 inches, right? So 4 inches I went down. Okay, and again, this is just a sample we're doing, guys. Okay, so what I've done from the 4 inches, I mark the peak of my 4 inches here. Okay, then I take a ruler and I just connect the line from here to here. That's all. From here to here, connect my line. Okay guys, so I do this very, very simple to see that we're just practicing, and you know, you don't have to be have all the perfect this, the perfect that to practice. Okay, so what we're gonna go ahead and do now for this dart, we will sew from here down to here. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing here for the practice dart itself. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll put on my sewing machine. Okay, then I would put my take my needle, and I will put it down on the line, because we're going to follow the line as our guide. Okay, and then we're just gonna follow the line and sew down. Okay, that's all. Put my back stitch, then I'm going to just follow my lines. So it's obvious it's a straight line, but you know it's diagonal, right? So it's not straight. So you're still going to just follow the line, then you try your best to stay on the line, and then your back stitch at the end, and then you're done, and you trim your thread out and all that. So this is what the darts look like. So you see when it actually gives shape of the garment. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So just follow what I did here. See, I didn't do it all big time. I just take a little piece of thing and I just show you how easy it is to do. So just practice that. That's pretty much what I want you to do. Get some scrap and practice making darts. That's pretty much what I want you to do for this lesson.